is the story of a duck called Jemima Puddle Duck.
She was not allowed to hatch her own eggs on the farm.
So Jemima made up her mind to go away and find a quiet place of her own. She came to a quiet wood at the top of a hill.
There she met a charming gentleman, dressed smartly, who listened to her story.
The gentleman invited Jemima to his house to make a nest.
But the gentleman had other plans, for he was not as kind as he looked.
Luckily, the farm dogs came just in time to save Jemima. And Jemima returned safely to the farm, though she was never allowed to hatch her own eggs. She was always looked after.